Hi everyone, welcome to the part 5 video of building LLM applications on GenAI. In this video series, we will take a use case or a problem and try to solve it using the GenAI stack. Today we have a new use case which is speech to text conversion. We will be using the OpenAI Whisper 1 model to convert speech to text, and then we will divide the corpus into smaller chunks for an effective context retrieval, and finally we will be using an LLM for Hugging Face and generate the response. So that's about the entire thing, and let's build the stack. So right now I'm at app.aiplanet.com where you will find the GenAI stack and build a new one for yourself. So I'll be doing that and clicking on this button. So we'll select the chat interface. So this is the blank canvas on which you can paint your own application. In this case, we will be using a custom component since the GenAI stack doesn't have the support for uh, converting speech to text. So we will be using the custom component and write our own code ourselves. So I'll be clicking on the code component, and here you will find the code. So let me go through these small things one by one. First of all, we have the build config, which will create the interface for your component, and the build function will try to convert the speech to text in this case. So I'll copy and paste the code, and I'll also share the code with you in the description box below. So this is the entire code. We'll find the build config to have an audio file and an OpenAI key field. So the OpenAI key field will be a type of type string, and the password component will be true because it's a secret key and we do not want to expose it. That's what the password component is true here. And apart from that, the audio file should be an MP3 or an MP4 file. So the suffixes are MP3 and MP4. And the build function will try to will try to first of all read the audio file, and after that it will call the model Whisper 1 from OpenAI, and then it will convert the entire speech to text or the audio file to text format. So we will click on check and save. You can also go to the code and you can try to write your own code and try to do some experiment with the code as well. So after saving the code, we have two new fields here. One will be the OpenAI key, where we can put our own API key, and we also have an audio field where we can upload the audio from our computer. So I've put my OpenAI API key, and I've also uploaded the audio from my computer, and I extracted the audio from this video, which is the AI agent that can control your desktop. And yeah, I've took only the first few minutes from this video. So let's start building on this custom component. So after converting the speech to text, we have to split the text or split the corpus into smaller chunks so that the LLM can understand it well and also store the context in a more efficient format. So we will be using the recursive character text splitter, and then we will connect this both of the components. And yeah, I think that's good enough for this. And we will be also having a prompt template. Yeah. So let's write the prompt template. Here's the extracted text from an audio file. Text will be document like that. And answer the question on the basis of the above document. Okay. Of the above text in this case. The question will be a variable as well. So we have two variables. One is the document and the other one is the question. So let's click on this check and save. Yeah. So we have the document. We will connect this document with the document, and after that, this will be the retriever part. Means it will retrieve the uh, text from the audio file and also convert it into smaller chunks, and then it will be putting it into a specific prompt template. Now we need to have an LLM for this, for generating the response. Basically, here I'll be using the Hugging Face Hub. So I've put my Hugging Face Hub API token and my repository ID, which is the Zephyr 7B beta. And yeah, this will be the LLM for this application. Now we have to connect the LLM with the retriever or the other components. So in this case, we will be using the simple LLM chain. So we will connect this Hugging Face LLM with the LLM part and prompt template with the prompt part. So I think this is it. The entire application is being built, and right now we have to click on the build button to build the stack. If you are entirely new to this concept, then you can refer to the previous videos in this series. I will put the link of it in the cards. So our stack is built. You can also look at the green icons here, which shows that the stack is being built successfully, or every component is being built successfully. You can chat with your application like this. What is being text about actually? So it has given an output, which is quite appropriate, I would say. And yeah, as you can see, creating this entire application took me just a few minutes, and that's the power of the GenAI Stack. You can create several applications and use cases without writing any code at all. You can also experiment with different LLMs and prompt templates and your own code in the custom component to create your personalized application. I hope this video was helpful. We will release more videos in this tutorial series to discover and implement innovative use cases. Till then, do subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.